Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up and receive donations with Twitch. Let's jump in. So there's a couple of different methods that are out there that I've found, but the one that I found that is the easiest to set up, easiest to manage is with a service called Stream Elements. All you have to do is head over to streamelements.com and log in to your Twitch account. So we'll just click on login, select Twitch, authorize, and sign into your account. There you go. So you don't have to create a new account. You just use your existing Twitch account. Step number 2, you want to go over to the left-hand menu here and go to revenue and then go to tipping settings, that one right there. And then under payment providers, again, the easiest one I found, there's a couple of different methods, but is just to connect your PayPal account. So you click on connect, it'll redirect you to PayPal to sign into your account. Once you have signed in, you just need to allow it permission to access your PayPal account. Click allow. And certainly if you don't have a PayPal account, you can create one here as well. And once it's all set, you'll return to Stream Elements. And now you have your PayPal account linked. So that check mark appears there. And then the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to head down here to page settings. We're just going to toggle that down. And you can set your currency to whatever your local currency is. In my case, it's USD. And then you can set your minimum or maximum amount. You could have this be, let's say, I just want a minimum of $3. Maximum, I don't want anybody tipping more than 50. Suggested amount, maybe you say 5, whatever you want for these. And then you can also have tipping presets. So there's different numbers that they have in there. Okay, then you go down to design and you could change the name of the page. In my case, it's just the tipping page. You could have a message to your tippers, and you could go, thanks so much, whatever you want that to say. You could also upload your background image if you wish to add that in there as well. After you get that all set up, then you can head back up here to the top, and you'll see here where it says copy your tipping page link. We're just going to copy that, and then you could go to your browser, paste that in there just so you can see what this looks like. And there people could select different options, write a message. This is what your end users are going to see. So you can see, kind of sample that and make sure everything works. Next, we're going to head over to our Twitch account. We're going to sign in. And once you're on the main page of Twitch, you just want to head over, click on your icon up in the top right-hand corner, go to your channel, scroll down here to where it says About, click on that. And you'll see down here, it'll say Edit Panels. Toggle that on, scroll down, and you'll see a plus sign here. Just click on that. And then we're just going to click on add a text or image. Click on that. And we want to add the link that we just copied. Now you can either create your own image to add in there, or if we head back over to Stream, you have a couple of pre-designed ones. So you click on that. You can go to download, head back in here, add image, choose the file or drag it there, and done. Now you can add a panel title. So I'll call this donations. You can add a description if you'd like, and then you click submit. So once that's grayed out, it's been submitted. You go back up here, you toggle that off, and there you see your donate. They click on it, and it takes them to that page to be able to donate. And it's that simple to be able to add a donate page to your Twitch. Hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.